No, I want you to explain what my name means in Indonesian.
Oke. Ayo segera. Introduce
Malu bikin saya malu kamu.
Nggak apa-apa, my name.
Show it to him, and you have my name there. You have
Sorry?
my name.
Oh ya, my name.
My name. What
His
does
name,
it
his
mean in Indonesian?
Indonesia, nama saya.
No, but
Nama saya.
Ya, bahasa Indonesia
Ferry.
pakai.
but my name written there. Who's that?
Buset?
Yes.
Huh? Seriously?
Yes. Seriously, sure.
Aku berarti itu.
So I just want you to explain me what this means in Indonesian.
Buset.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Huh?
If you want someone to tell you something true about the story, and we didn't believe about that, and we said bullshit, but I don't know what the meaning really.
Oh yes, you know, but you don't. Yes,
Bullshit, bullshit. Nah, bullshit.
you know what it means. You just don't
Nih,
want to tell me.
siangan kayak gitu.
Salah.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.